are a disaster. Let me get to this, too. Their closing argument here is a joke. The Democrats' closing argument's an embarrassment. Biden's closing argument last night was the insurrection. It was embarrassing. He was like salivating on himself. There was just a so poorly received speech. I can guarantee you most of the Democrat candidates in swing districts would wish he just didn't give the speech last night. It was that bad. Get a load of this. Here's John Kerry's closing argument as to why you should vote Democrat if you did. John Kerry, what does Mark Vin call him? Mashed potato face or something? John Kerry, you think his argument would be, all right, listen, inflation, all this other stuff, we're going to have... No. His argument right before Election Day, don't worry, we're going to go out and make sure you guys buy electric cars. That's a deal sealer for me. Here, listen to yourself.
Ford Motor Company and General Motors and other companies around the world have spent hundreds of billions of dollars retooling their plants. Why? Because they're going electric. And by 2035, that's all we're going to have in America. Electric cars being manufactured, not on the road, but being sold in new cars. That's President Biden's goal. By 2035, he wants the power sector of America to be carbon-free.
That's it, folks. That's their closing argument. Mashed potato face. Kerry. Go buy an electric car, bro. Yeah, with what money, John? With what money exactly would you like us to do that with? The deflated dollars you've hoisted upon us, you and your Democrat allies, by spending a bunch of money we didn't have? How would you like us to do that? What makes this argument go buy electric cars even more ridiculous is something I have been focused on in this show for a long time. If you're a regular listener, you know has been the dangers of digital ID and digital currency. Folks, please go to my newsletter and read this piece today. You want to know why the Democrats are really obsessed with electric cars? Oh, the environment. No, wrong. No, Dan, they say they love the environment. Wrong. One, they don't love the environment. They don't give a damn about the environment. Second, the reason they love electric cars is because they're easier to track. The environmental impact of an electric car over its entire life cycle, from creation to destruction, is comparable, and if not worse, than that of a gas-powered engine. So it's got nothing to do with the environment. So why do they love electric cars again, Dan? Well, if you read this article in my newsletter today from Reclaim the Net, WEF, that's the World Economic Forum, publishes a post on digital battery passports, described as a digital ID for batteries. Oh no. Now it makes sense, the little mini totalitarian. They want digital IDs for batteries? Listen to what this thing does. The digital passport in the battery consists of batteries containing data and descriptions about its ESG performance, manufacturing history, and provenance, as well as advancing battery life extension and enabling recycling. The digital ID for battery also consists of a platform that will collect, exchange, collate, and report data among all authorized life cycle stakeholders.